Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss about the problem convert the string which is from the contest May Lunchtime 2020 in CodeChef. Let's see what the problem states. We are given two strings A and B of equal size with length n, and we need to convert the string A to string B by performing some operations. The operation is of the following type. We need to choose a subset S from the set 0 to n minus 1. Because our strings are 0 based index, it starts from 0 to length minus 1. So we need to choose subset in this set. After choosing that, we need to replace all the characters in that subset of string A with the smallest character present in the subset. So let me explain the sample test case given in this problem. So these are some test cases can be seen on the screen. So left side of the screen, that these test cases are given in the problem, and right side of the screen, these test cases were generated. So in order to so before going to approach, so let's see how we are outputting the answer. So we just need to print answer minus 1 if we are unable to convert string A to string B by following operation mentioned in the problem, or otherwise we just need to print minimum number of operations, and the information about the subsegment chosen in order to convert string A to string B. So let's see the first test case. In order to convert string A to string B, we just need to choose the characters which are differ. So in this, these characters are differ, which are underlined. So in order to convert string B, character B to character A, we just need to choose some subsegment, and we, we just need to choose some subsegment and do operation. And in order to convert character C to character B, we just need to some segment and do the following operation mentioned in the problem. So these are the operations mentioned by the problem. So first, in order to convert character C to character B, we just need to choose the subsegment like 1, 2, 4. In this subsegment, the minimum character is B. So we just need to replace all the characters in string A in those subsegment with B. So it will be look like A, B, B, A, B. So this string is not equal to this string because the character is differ. So in order to convert this character to this character, we have to choose subsegment like 0, 1, 3. So in this subsegment, the least character in string, the least character is A. So we just need to replace all the characters with that. So A, it will look like A, B, A, B, A, B. So this is equal to string B. So we just need to print how many minimum number of operations. So we require two operations. So 2, and this is the size of the chosen indices. So we have chosen 3 indices for the first operation, and for the second operation also we have chosen 3 indices. So we will output like this. So let's see the second test case. In this test case, the differ characters are this underlined. So in order to convert character A to character B, we just need to choose subsegment which contains character B as a minimum in that subsegment. So here in string A, there is no character B. In order to choose subsegment to get B as the minimum in that subsegment, so we just need to print -1. So here also the differ characters are these, and we need to convert character D to character C. So in order to convert character D to character C, we just need to choose the subsegment which contains C as the minimum character. So here in string A, there is no character C. In order to convert it to C, so we can print -1 as mentioned above. So let's see this test case. In this test case, So let's first check if the characters in the string B are present in characters in string A. So let's check D present as, C present as, B present as, A present as, S. So all characters were present. So in order to convert character A to character D, so in order to convert character A to character D, we just need to choose subsegment uh, which contains D as the minimum character in that subsegment. So here we cannot choose the subsegment because here if we choose any subsegment, the A itself is the minimum character. So we need to print -1. What we observe in this is if we -1. So let's briefly explain the -1 cases. So in the above, if we have character at I A is less than character at B of I, so we can't convert that string. And if B character was not in A, so these are the cases where we will get -1 as our answer. So here let's see this test case. In this test case, the differing characters are those underlined ones, and here we need to convert character C to character B and character B to character A by choosing some subsegments and as mentioned in the problem. So here we need to first we will convert this first we will convert B to A. So in order to convert B to A, we need to choose some subsegment such that A will contain the least character in that subsegment. So how we can choose? Yeah, we can choose like this. So it is 0, 2. Then it will be of the form like AC, AC. Okay, done. Now this string is not equal to this string B, because these two are differed by this character. So in order to convert string C to string B, oh, see here we don't have anything B. So we will output -1 because we mentioned here, but the answer is not like that, not -1. There is an answer for this. What is that? If we choose first C, then how we can convert? We can convert C to B by choosing the subsegment CB, this one. So it will be of the form AB BC. Cool. Okay. Now this one is not equal to this one because these characters differ by to the string. So in order to convert character B to character A, we need to choose some subsegment such that A is the minimum character of the subsegment. We can choose, right? So we can choose this subsegment. So what? Here we can convert that AB AC. So another note point we noted that is we need to update in string A. We need to update in string A in the increasing character form, right? First we choose B, but we end up to the -1. If we choose C, we came up to the solution like 0, 2, and here also 0 comma 2, right? So in order, another note point is we need to update in string a in the increasing of character, right? So we have covered all the corner cases and we have noted 3 points. So let's jump into the implementation of this problem. So this is my submission to that problem. Here I have taken test cases and I have taken input n, which is the size of the both strings, and I have taken two strings a and b, and I have taken two vector arrays v and v1 of size 26 to store the information about the characters in string A and string B. So what information I am storing is the positions of the characters in both strings A and B. So this loop is for storing the characters information of string A, and this loop is for the storing the characters information of string B. And I have taken a vector of vector to store the our uh, answer format, like how we are choosing subsets in order to make string A to string B, in order to make string A equal to string B. So then I have handled the 2 - 1 cases by taking two flags. The first -1 case will occur when if a of I is less than b of I, then we can't choose any subset in A which will be the least which b of I will be the least character, right? So I will directly print -1 for that case. And another case is if that character is present in string B and that is not present in string A, then I need to print -1, right? So if the character is present in string B, then v1 of I dot empty equal to false, then it won't execute this, so it will come to this. If that is not present in string A, then v of I dot empty will be true, so it will execute, then it will come to, it will break and we will print -1. If v of I dot empty is not false, that means that is character present in string B is also present in string A, then we need to store the information of that character. We need to store information of that character. So, and before that we are looping for 25 to 0 in reverse. So from high character to low character. So as I mentioned that we need to change the string characters of string A to string B in the increasing character, right? So that's why I loop it for in reverse decremented manner. So I will store the information of that character, first occurrence information of the information of that characters of first occurrence, like v of I of 0. I will store it into the v2, and I will store the positions of the v1 positions of the strings in b of I. So I will take all those informations, I will put into the vector v2 and I will directly push back into our answer vector. So finally we need to print the answer with a format like we need to print the minimum number of operations required to convert string A to string B. That will be the our answer dot size. So next we need to print the first we need to print the subset size. So it will be the subset size, then it will be the information about the subset. Then it is over. Thank you.